Welcome back. You're watching Business at 9. Now, a crucial phone call between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and US President Donald Trump has drawn significant attention. President Trump extended his condolences over the deadly Pahalgam terror attack, reaffirming America's support for India in its fight against terrorism. In fact, Prime Minister Modi made it clear this is no longer a proxy war, but a real war. He also firmly dismissed US claims that India agreed to a ceasefire under American pressure, calling those reports misleading. Let's also tell you Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri confirmed that the two leaders discussed Operation Sindoor and emphasized there was no third-party talks during the ongoing tensions. Listen in.
प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप को स्पष्ट रूप से कहा कि इस पूरे घटनाक्रम के दौरान कभी भी किसी भी स्तर पर भारत अमेरिका ट्रेड डील या अमेरिका द्वारा भारत और पाकिस्तान के बीच मध्यस्थता जैसे विषयों पर बात नहीं हुई थी। सैन्य कार्रवाई रोकने की बात सीधे भारत और पाकिस्तान के बीच दोनों सेनाओं की एग्जिस्टिंग चैनल्स के माध्यम से हुई थी और पाकिस्तान के ही आग्रह पर हुई थी। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने जोर देकर कहा कि भारत ने न तो कभी मध्यस्थता स्वीकार की थी, न करता है और न ही कभी करेगा। इस विषय पर भारत में पूर्ण रूप से राजनीतिक एकमत है। राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप ने प्रधानमंत्री द्वारा विस्तार में बताई गई बातों को समझा और आतंकवाद के खिलाफ भारत की लड़ाई के प्रति समर्थन व्यक्त किया। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने यह भी कहा कि भारत अब आतंकवाद को प्रॉक्सी वॉर नहीं, युद्ध के रूप में ही देखता है और भारत का ऑपरेशन सिंदूर अभी भी जारी है।
All right, we heard what Vikram Misri had to say, but given this is a developing situation, let's go across to Sumita Karir, my colleague, who will help us draw more perspective as to where things stand at the moment.
That's right. In a video message, India's Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri stated that even though the Prime Minister who attended G7 along with President Donald Trump, their meeting was scheduled to happen on the sidelines of G7. However, due to President Trump leaving early, the two could not speak, the two could not meet. However, he confirmed that the two leaders spoke on phone. The conversation, he said, that lasted about 35 minutes, and a couple of key points came out of that address of Vikram Misri and the conversation that transpired between Prime Minister Modi and, of course, President Donald Trump. Now, remember, this assumes significance because this was the first conversation that happened since April after Operation Sindoor. The Prime Minister categorically cleared that Operation Sindoor is not over yet. He also gave details of what really transpired.
All right. Thank you, Sumita, for joining us. But